Kindly subscribe to Ideas Dome YouTube channel like this. Also click on the notification bell. At this point, you already know how awesome the DafriExchange referral program is. Not only do you get direct commissions when customers you refer buy DBA tokens on DafriExchange, you also get bonuses from all profits generated by the referred customer for life. Wow. So today I'm going to teach you two ways to easily promote your DafriExchange referral links. I'm going to teach you two ways. Now let's talk about the first method. First, you need to get your referral link after registering on DafriExchange.com. You just go on your profile and click on referral, and there you copy your referral link. Next, you go to this website called Simple Traffic. I'll leave the link to the website in the description below. So all you need to do is you paste your referral link here. So let's say my referral link is this. So just paste your referral link here and click on Start Trial. So here we are. You need to register first to start the trial. You put your email here, your first name, your last name. And now this is very important. This talks about the areas where you like to target the countries. For me, I'll recommend targeting African countries like Nigeria, like South Africa. Yeah, South Africa is South Africa. Here we go. Like Ghana. Oops. Ghana. Where are you? Ghana. Yeah, Ghana. You can even target European countries. Can target other countries. Doesn't have to be just African countries. Let's look for United States. Yes, you can target the United States. So that's it. Just pick countries here where you want to target depending on your budget. Now, when you've done all of that, you click on this, you click on this. Now, remember, you're going to get your first 2,500 clicks for free. Yes, for free before this plan kicks off. Yes, it's a paid service, but it also comes with bonuses. You get 2,500 clicks for free in addition to whatever traffic you're paying for. Then you click on create subscription in order to pay using PayPal. So that's how you can easily promote your DBA referral link. That's the first method. Now, let me teach you a second method. It's almost like the first, but more effective, I must say. So, here it goes. First, you need to write a short article about why people should invest in DBA currency. Here's a sample article I wrote, just a few lines about why people need to invest in DBA currency right now. I'll leave a link to download this article in the description below. You can just edit it, tweak it, make it yours. You get the idea. So once you've written this article, you go to this website called medium.com. The website is called medium.com. Here's where we're going to publish our article. And it's so simple. So all you have to do is after registering on medium.com, you come to your profile here, you click on write a story. Then you copy the article you already wrote, copy it, then you just paste it right here. You edit the article. Like I said, you can use this article, just edit it so that it's a bit different. You can see what I'm doing. It's so easy to use. So you can see, look at the title I used. Why DBA currency is the best 2021 investment. And the right, of course. So also do well to use a good image. I'll leave a link to in the description below where you can download DBA marketing materials to use. I already have it, so let's do that. So I'll come to my DBA pictures here. Wow, fantastic pictures. Which one do I want to use? Okay, let's go for this. Beautiful. You can see it's just a simple article. Make sure you read it and see how to edit it before you publish. And remember, let me show you some spots on the article. You have to put your referral link in this article. You can see, click on this link, insert referral link. So here's where you put your referral link. You can just highlight this so that people see it easily. You could bolden it like this so that people can find this part of your article easily. You can even have it on a separate line so that it stands out. You want it to stand out so that people can easily see your referral link and click on it. And finally, don't forget this last line. If you have any questions, you can contact me here. This is where you're going to insert your email address, where whoever clicks on the article can also contact you to learn more, for further guidance, or you can leave your Telegram handle here. So make sure you read over to make sure your article is good enough. So once you're done with that, what else? Nothing. Just click on publish like this. Click on publish. You can add tags. DafriBank. You can see there are already some tags to use. DafriExchange. What else? Dafri Group. Dafri Group. Cryptocurrency. Just your stuff that people can easily search for. Cryptocurrency, investments, token sales. So once you're done, you publish. Let's do that. Wow, our article has been published. Look at it. It's been published. So what else? So after publishing, all you have to do is you're going to copy this link here and go back to your simple traffic. Remember, your referral link is already in this article, so you just copy the link of the article after publishing and paste it on your simple traffic like this, and you click on start trial as explained earlier. So you just repeat all of the steps I earlier mentioned, and that's it. So that's how you promote your DBA referral links. So easy. So people, go into the world, promote DBA, promote DafriExchange, and keep earning. Let's go!